This is by far the easiest way to make $100 a day by trading credit spreads. It's broken down into 4 simple steps. Number 1, pick a direction. Number 2, pick the right credit spread. Number 3, enter the trade. And number 4, make $100 a day in 4 simple steps. Not only that, in this video, I'll be walking through what you need to do for each step, and I will be giving you my private indicator that will help you implement this system like that. Not only that, I typically charge $997 for people to get access to this indicator, but I'm giving it away to you for free. So you stay tuned. I will show you not only each step in depth, but how to implement this in seconds for free. So that by the end of this video, you get to walk away knowing how to actually make $100 a day. So if you are excited for that, if you enjoy that, if you're ready, smash the subscribe button and let's dive in. All right, so pick a direction. How do we know to do that? Well, simply we need to know the trend. Why do we need to know the trend? Well, because if you have traded other strategies in the past and haven't made money, it's because the person who taught you the strategy did not tell you when that strategy worked best. There's uptrends, there's downtrends, there's sideways markets. If you don't trade the best strategy for the market you're in, you're going to lose money. So the trend. So what is the different approaches here? Well, if we are in an uptrend, simply we're going to be doing put credit spreads. So again, I'm going to assume you know what credit spreads are, but if you don't, here's a quick explanation. A credit spread is simply betting that a stock will stay above a certain level, and if it does, you make money. If it doesn't, you don't. So a put credit spread makes money to the upside, a call credit spread makes money to the downside. So when we're in an uptrend, which we can determine by an indicator, for instance, one I will be giving you today for free. Again, we know if we know if the market's in an uptrend or a downtrend or sideways. So if the market's uptrend, we're going to be doing put credit spreads. If the market's in a downtrend, we're going to be doing call credit spreads. If the market is neutral or sideways, we're going to do far out of the money credit spreads. Again, I'll be explaining all that here when we get into the charts. But this is how you pick a direction. You use the trend determined by an indicator, and then you can use that trend to put on the right credit spread on a certain distance out. When we're uptrending, we want to, well, actually, this goes into the next one. When we are uptrending and when we put on a put credit spread, it will change based on what trend we're in. So if we're uptrending, we're going to be placing a roughly 14 days until expiration. So that means we're going to go out 14 days in time. And plus, we're going to be roughly 2 to 3% out of the money. So out of the money. That means away from the stock price when we're trending up. So this is how we determine that level, and I'll show you again in the charts when we get specific. I just wanted to give you the highlighted notes here. When we are downtrending, aka the market is going down, we're also going to be 14 days out. And we're going to be roughly 2 to 3% out of the money as well. But this time it's a call credit spread, so we're going above the stock price, not below it like we are for uptrending. When we are in a neutral market, this is where it really changes. We're going to be also going out about 16 days, so a little further in time. And we're also going to be going further out in distance, so 3 to 4% out of the money. Why? Because when a market's neutral and sideways, there's no clear direction. It can gap up, down, whatever, and we want that extra realm of safety. Also, when we're in a neutral market and the market's going up, down, and all these weird ways, guess what? Volatility is higher, which means we still collect the same amount of money, still make $100 like we could with these, which are a bit closer to the money. So that's how you pick the right credit spread, but I'll explain how to make that super easy with the indicator that I'm giving you because it tells you how to do it. But anyways, how to enter the trade, you simply go to your broker. So again, there's a lot of brokers out there. We have Robinhood, which is super easy, Webull, which is also commission free. You have Tasty Trade. You also have TD Ameritrade. All these work well. Depending on your account size, I definitely recommend that you negotiate commissions. That's going to help you a lot. So those are all the brokers. You're just simply going to place the trade based on the setup here. So place the trade based on the setups above. So that's how we put on this order. Next, we're going to aim to make $100 a day. That's the whole purpose of this video. So if we're collecting $15 for each spread we put on, then we want to put on roughly the number of spreads that will equal $100 a day. So if we're putting on $15 per spread, if we want to make $100, I think that was roughly $8. Yeah, let's just say. I mean eight spreads. That's probably close enough. So yeah, we have 8 spreads. It's going to put us over to 120. Actually, we probably only need 7 spreads. My mental math is not insanely amazing, but so 7 spreads we need to put on at $50 a spread to make $100 in that day. And not only that, we'll have about an 85% win rate doing this. So 85% of the time we'll get to keep our money. The other time we'll have a stop loss around 50 cents so that we'll have that stop in case it goes against us and we won't lose an incredible amount of money. So now let's go into the charts and deep dive how this works. So like I mentioned before, there is a trading indicator that I'm going to give you that's taken me 6 years to develop and I typically charge money for, but I want to give it to you for free because you know what? I decided I just want people to make money, and if you do, then you'll like me and hopefully actually finally subscribe to this channel. But anyways, if you click down in the description below, there's a credit spreads trend trading indicator. This is what I've literally built. It shows you the trends at every moment, and it also tells you how to put on the right credit spread trade. So let's dive into this real quick. Again, I'm hoping you went down in the description, imported this to your chart. It's super simple. Just put in your email. I'll send you the link. Yeah, click the link, and it imports it into your into a TradingView account, which is free for anyone. So all that super simple to do. Anyway, so I'm assuming you've done that. Now that you've done that, when the market is above this green line, the market is in an uptrend. The market is moving higher. When the market is below the red line, we are downtrending. We are moving lower. When the market's in this gray area, this is sideways or neutral market. When that happens, that means that the market is random. And so what do? Well, we simply go in here to the settings of this section right here, and we adjust the percentages based on where we are. So we're currently uptrending. So what did I say? When we're uptrending, we're going to go roughly 2 to 3% out of the money. Well, look here, I have 2.5% percentage out of the money set. So that means we're good there. I don't need to do anything like that. So check. We're done with that. So now it tells me, okay, now that we're trending above, it tells me everything I need to do, so I don't have to do the math myself. It says right here, put credit spread. Cool, I know I'm placing a put credit spread. Number 2, 14 days out. Cool, now I know what to place it out at. And then it says details, sell the 430, buy the 429. So that's how I set up this trade. That simple, that easy with this amazing and free indicator that I'm giving you. This is a super easy example with Robinhood. So we're looking at SPY, so we're going to go to SPY. Next, we're going to click on Trade SPY Options. Then we're going to go into Builder and put on the trade it told us to put on. So you can see here a put credit spread. Why? Because we're bullish. We want to make money to the upside. So we're going to find put credit spread right here. Next, we're going to go roughly the distance out. So you can see here we have the different days. 10 days is the nearest Friday, so we'll just do that one as well. It's a 10, so roughly around 14. Again, we could go out further as well. Then we're going to put on the order that it says. You can see right here 430, 429. So we're going to look for that. Scroll down, 430, 429, 430, 429. Right here, you can enter for about $9, $10. So we're going to need to put on roughly 10 spreads to make $100 with this trade. Again, you need to understand the risk at play with your win rate, but that is how you can easily make $100 a day by putting on these spreads and doing so in the way you're doing. You have roughly an 85% win rate, and with your stop loss, you're risking roughly $4 to make $1, and that is the optimal strategy that a trader should take every single day because long-term expectancy math dictates that you'll make money long-term. Anyways, guys, I hope that helped. Again, if you are new to credit spreads and want to understand them better, I have a free course linked down below that will give you access to what credit spreads are and teaching the exact strategy that I use. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoy it and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.